Today I'm installing the Spigen tempered glass screen protector for my fiance's Tesla Model Y. And why is this important? Because that 15-inch touchscreen is basically the brains of the car. And a repair to this can cost you thousands of dollars. You can get a crack on it, you can accidentally dump something on it, you can accidentally hit it with something sharp and accidentally crack it. So protecting it with a $30 accessory like this is pretty much a no-brainer. The best part about this protector is that it comes with Spigen EZ Fit frame, which makes this installation simple. There's no guessing, no crooked lines, no pulling it back and forth, and no messing with bubbles either. And today I'll show you how to exactly install this step by step.
Here's what the kit comes with. The EZ Fit frame with instructions on it, a toolkit packet with a QR code with video instructions, which you won't need since you're watching this video, a squeegee toolkit, cleaning wipes, dust remover stickers, alcohol wipes, and a booklet with visual instructions.
First, you're going to go to your Tesla menu. Then you're going to find display, and in display, you're going to select screen clean mode. Now what this is going to do is lock your screen so that as you're installing it, cleaning this, it doesn't actually start activating different menus on your Tesla tablet here. And yeah, you can see already these are all the fingerprints, and that's why we're installing this screen protector to prevent all these fingerprints and also reduce the glare that's coming off of this screen right here. Perfect example as to why this protector matters. Open the kit, you'll find alcohol wipes, microfiber cloth, dust removal stickers, and the EZ Fit frame. Start with the alcohol wipes. Clean the entire screen. Swipe edge to edge so you can get all the grime off of the screen. Now it does come with 2 wipes, so be sure to use both of them. Always wipe away from the edges. Don't just keep smudging it inward and in circles. Just go straight to the sides or up and down like this. If you think about it, it's like you're wiping off all that dirt, all that stuff that's sticking onto the screen, and you're just pushing it away. I'm going to use a second one to get all this grime out. And I say grime, but it's really just dust. Now it's so hot here that it's actually almost evaporating the alcohol as I'm passing it on the glass. Now use the microfiber cloth to dry and remove any streaks. And again, wipe it side to side. Don't just go in circles to get all of those alcohol streaks off of this to make sure it's nice and clean before you install the actual screen protector. Finally, use the dust stickers to pick up any tiny particles that might be left on the screen. You fold it like this and just tap it. Go in some kind of symmetrical order, side to side, up and down, just so you make sure you don't miss anything on the screen. And it picks up all of that extra dust that towel might have not actually picked up on. And just give it a few swipes side to side, up and down, to make sure you get all of it. Like imagine there's like lines across and you're just literally going across these lines. Now don't do it too much because those actual dust particles will stick to this and you end up having to actually put them back on the screen as you're doing this. And it does come with smaller ones, so if you have a few particles you see still on your screen, you can use it to kind of dab those off. And now for the fun part. Remove this plastic piece off first. Then place the EZ Fit frame over your screen. It does indicate in the front part of the frame that there is a top and a bottom, so make sure to put the top part on the top part of your screen. This will lock the protector in the perfect position. Drop it into the frame and gently press down the middle. The adhesive spreads across the glass on its own. Wait about 15 minutes, then lift the frame. So next, we're going to remove this piece right here. It says remove from here, which is 1, 2, 3. These are the steps, 1, 2, and 3. Remove it from this section right here. And we're going to lift it from the bottom to the top. Now, initially it starts to look like there are bubbles on here, but there aren't, because there's an additional film that's right on top of this, and that's where those bubbles look. So you peel this part off, and now the screen protector is actually edge to edge. So remove this very slowly, toss that over. Now we're going to use this squeegee right here to just kind of even it out, just in case there are any bubbles that you may not see. And what we're going to do is go from the middle and just go outward, just the same way we were doing a second ago. So we're going to go from the middle, just push it firmly, don't push too hard. And you're going to simply just push outward towards the edges. Now, I don't see any bubbles in here. I just tend to do this just in case there are any bubbles that I am not actually seeing with the naked eye. Because, you know, the only time you ever see these bubbles is when you turn the screen back on, and then all of a sudden you see the bubble right in front of you. And you can't unsee that. Okay, so that is what the screen protector looks like. Let me show you a close-up of that. So now there is less glare on here, and you can see it goes all the way around the edges. And that's it. The installation just took a few minutes. Now my Tesla screen is protected from smudges, scratches, and glare. And for around $30, the Spigen GlasTR EZ Fit screen protector is absolutely worth it. And if you want to pick one up, I've linked it down in the description below, and also added a few discount codes for additional accessories for your Tesla Model Y. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. And also, you'll be supporting this channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.